हेलो ब्रदर्स एंड सिस्टर्स, आई एम इलोरा फ्रॉम वेस्ट बंगाल इन इंडिया। आई एम बंगाली। चलो, मैं मेरा पहचान एग्जाम पेपर में डालने की तरह झटक से कर दिया। विदाउट दिस थिंक वन सेकेंड। विदाउट दिस आवर बिगेस्ट आइडेंटिटी इज वी आर अ ह्यूमन एंड आवर रिलीजन इज ह्यूमैनिटी। Welcome to Profound Writers. I am going to say something about gender equality. In this write-up, there are so much sentences that may be odd to hear you. You may think that I am saying so repulsive, but think once. With patience, all of you should understand it. Let's start. People and the society in old days. In old days, people and the society was not so much developed. There are so much circumstances in the mind of each person. But think once. Then women did not get such importance like men. In almost every case, women were being unprepared and humiliated. If any pregnant mother gave her birth of a baby girl, then everyone would point their finger at her and proved her as guilty. They thought that boy was the one and only person to rescue the existence of their family. Besides it, if a girl was raped by a boy, then everyone would have bad the name of the girl. Sometimes she would be insulted as a scarlet woman. There are many more of these types. But with the development of science and growing of time, people in society have been able to free themselves from such and women have improved themselves a lot. But if we take a good look at all the things, then even in the present time, girls are made small in one way or another. Not just girls, but transgender people as well. Like in Hindu society, after marriage, girls have to go the home of the boy who is her husband. I don't know what is happen in other religion, but why always girl will sacrifice in everything? Since ancient times, this policy has been going on, but every person should sacrifice equally, whether she is transgender girl or a boy. But our society will not accept that, and the girl have been doing the same thing and accepted